In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install BandLab on your PC, laptop, or computer. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type BandLab Download for PC and press Enter. You're looking for the official BandLab website or a trusted source that clearly shows the BandLab app for desktop. Avoid any suspicious links or websites that don't look professional or that try to make you download extra software. Once you're on the correct page, look for a button that says something like Download for Windows or Download for PC. Click that button. Your browser will start downloading an installer file, usually ending in .exe. You can see the progress at the bottom of your browser or in the download section. Wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. If your internet is a bit slow, just be patient and let it complete. Interrupting the download can cause installation issues later. When the file has finished downloading, open it. You can do this by clicking it directly from your browser's download bar, or by going to your Downloads folder and double-clicking the file there. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal security check when installing new software. The BandLab setup window will now appear. You'll usually see a welcome screen followed by the license agreement. Take a moment to scroll through the terms, then choose I agree or Accept so you can continue. Next, you may be asked where you want to install the program. If you're not sure, it's perfectly fine to leave the default location as it is and click Next. The installer will now copy the necessary files to your computer. This might take a minute or two. You'll see a progress bar showing how far along it is. When it's done, you should see a message saying the installation is complete. Make sure the option to create a desktop shortcut is enabled if you want quick access. Then click Finish. Now go to your desktop and look for the BandLab icon. Double-click it to open the app. The first time you launch it, you may need to sign in or create a free BandLab account. Once that's done, you're ready to start making music on your PC with BandLab.